how to find registration code for Amazon Prime Video. You want to go to the Amazon website, and then here from the list we want to select Prime Video. Once we click on Prime Video, then you will need to hover over your profile and then choose Account and Settings. Once we click on Account and Settings, then we need to navigate to the Devices tab, which is found right here. And then you will need to select Register New Device here to the right. Click on Register New Device. You might be prompted to sign into your account again. And then you will see this: register your compatible TV or device. Enter the code shown on your TV or device to register it with your Prime account. So how can we get the code? You will open up the Prime Video app on your TV or device. You will then select register on the Prime website and you will get a code. Then you will just have to type the code right here. Click on register device and it's going to link your Prime Video account to your Amazon account and you will be able to watch it on your TV. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.